Hello, this is Carlos, and here's tip number 3. You have to stay away from negativity. This is a key tip for you to take seriously. If you keep connected with negativity, news, people, toxic people, whatever, and you don't empty out your mind of negativity, you won't be able to achieve anything in your life. Sorry to say this so straightforward, but it's absolutely true. We become what we think about. If you think in negative terms, you will get negative results. But if you think in positive terms, you will get positive results. So you have to stop negativity in your mind, and you have to stay away from negativity. In coming tips, I will explain you a little bit how to manage, but do this now. Stop be away from negativity. Okay, I hope you like this tip for today, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.